Wagwan me YouTube family, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I am going to show you how to make the best stewed chicken Jamaican style. So to start, you're going to ensure that your chicken is washed with vinegar or lime juice. Then here I have some dry rub, and this include all-purpose season, green parsley, a dash of black pepper, cayenne pepper, a pinch of salt, and I also had a dash of onion powder. You can use the dry rub of your choice depending on what you have available. So then I'm going to distribute the dry rub season all over the chicken. Then I'm going to massage to distribute the season all over the chicken. Afterwards, you can cover with a cling wrap or a cover, and you can allow the chicken to marinate for a couple minutes, maybe 30 minutes or so, right? So afterwards, I'm going to show you how you can prepare your brown stew chicken other than using browning. This is the best technique, and I think you should try it, or if you have tried it before, comment and let me know if you prefer this technique over using browning. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video so far, and if you are new and you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss an upload. So in the meantime, while the chicken is marinating, what I'm doing here is to prepare my aromatics for the brown stew chicken, right? If you prefer to add the aromatics, you can, or if you don't want to, it's up to you. That's optional, right? So you can also add here the vegetables of your choice for your brown stew chicken. So with this method, I'm going to show you how to use brown sugar to actually achieve your brown stew chicken, which leaves your chicken tasting so absolutely delicious and also giving you that vibrant, pretty brown color to your chicken. So first, you're going to start off by adding just a little bit of oil to your pot, and then you're going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Then you're going to allow the sugar to burn to about medium brown. You don't want it to be too dark, right? Like getting that molasses color. You don't want that. And look how this chicken is looking so beautiful. You love this color. So once the sugar starts to caramelize, it gives a different taste. It adds a different flavor to your brown stew chicken rather than using the browning. So I think you should incorporate this method whenever you are making brown stew chicken the next time. And once the chicken is almost done, you're going to add your aromatics and your ketchup to thicken the sauce. You're going to cover your pot and allow your brown stew chicken to produce that water. If the water reduces, you can just top it up with a little more water and you should be good, because you know chicken don't take a long time to cook. So you're going to watch it until your sauce is thin. Afterwards, you plate and enjoy your delicious brown stew chicken. I hope this video was informative and I hope this video helped. If you love this video, give the video a thumbs up, and if you find it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more. Bye.